Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device supports Z-Power and is updated. The Y is stability and feature access. Next, plug in or charge above 50% so the power spike won't interrupt transfer. Enable Z-Power in settings now, because once enabled, the system registers paired tokens. Finally, prepare the physical or virtual token. This matters for authentication. Take these first steps deliberately to avoid connection faults. Once done with setup, pair the token, press and hold until the LED blinks. You do this to establish a secure handshake. Then open the Z-Power menu and select the mode that matches your task. Each mode alters power profiling, so pick wisely. Choose an intensity level between 1 and 5. Higher is stronger but hotter. While activating, watch the status bar for short 0. 5 to 2 second confirmation. If it stalls, cancel and retry to prevent partial activation. To complete, run a short 30 to 60 second test routine so you can verify expected output and thermal behavior. This confirms everything works under load. If something goes wrong, immediately reduce intensity to 1, reboot the device, and repair the token. These steps clear transient faults. If the issue persists, capture error codes and log conditions before contacting support, because that detail speeds diagnosis. Remember, one careful retry often fixes connection hiccups without escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.